on. Oh my goodness. Oh, my hair. It's like in that like wet braid. Oh, look how curly it is. I'm with Lucy. I stole her from my parents' house last night. So we're now going back home. Isn't that right? So I'm gonna take her out. Being stared at as I talk to a camera. Pretty sure you can hear me through my car and everything. But anyway, Lucy, did we have a good night? Did we have fun? Did we have fun? Getting so old now. I don't even think I'm in focus. So she's getting older. She's all limpy and hair in my face. Yeah, we had to take the elevator every time and she doesn't like the elevator and yeah, so I think that'll be the last time she comes to my apartment, which she's only been here twice. This is the first time she actually slept over and everything, but oh, she's such a little puppers. Yeah. So anyway, we're gonna go to my mom's, then gonna go to the grocery store. We have such a fun weekend. I'm gonna weekend vlog. I haven't actually done a weekend vlog in, feels like years. So I made a bumpin' playlist. It's called Grade 8 and it is all the high school, middle school throwbacks and I love it. Even there's some 90s stuff in there as well. But it's just one of those crowd pleaser things and I've been obsessed with it. So yeah, I'm freaking sweating. I'm sure you are too, Luce. So we're gonna hit the road. Got myself some ice cold water and yeah, let's go. Man, I need a smaller camera. This thing's huge. Okay, I messed up big time. I'm a terrible friend. So tonight, just to give you a little bit of background, tonight Elena and I and Laura are getting together at Laura's parents' house. Laura is back from Vancouver. We haven't seen her since Christmas, I think. And I actually haven't seen Elena in a long time because of quarantine and everything. So we are celebrating like just seeing each other and all of our birthdays. First of all, the lady, I feel so bad at like the bakery. First of all, there's a line and I'm picky and I wanted vanilla, not chocolate, and I'm like shuffling through the cakes that were available and I finally found a vanilla. So I like gave it to her. She's like, come on, like hurry up. Because like there was a big line and I was like, oh my god. So I was like, can you write happy 25th Elena, Emily, and Laura? And she's like, yeah, no problem, okay. She wrote happy birthday Elena, Emily, and Laura. But like I'll show you in a second. So whoops. Maybe I'll like get rid of that I or something like that and make it even on my name. Or like that E doesn't really look like an E, so I was like, oh, my bad. Oh well. So anyway, so that's that. I'm gonna put that in the fridge. And I also just have some popcorn for later. So yeah, so I dropped Lucy off. Sorry, I'm like balancing you on my spaghetti thing right now and it's not working all that well. But anyway, I dropped Lucy off, went to the bank, went to the grocery store obviously. And now I'm home. It is freaking hot outside. All week has been so gloomy and so gross that like I was able to wear jeans because I have to wear jeans and like pants when I go to work. So it was kind of nice like running errands after work because I wasn't like dripping in sweat like I usually am. It was kind of nice. But now I'm like, it is hot. Also, this top is from Marshall's. I got it, it was $10. And I saw it as I was in checkout. I was like, I don't need to try it on, it looks like it'll fit. And it's super cute. At first I thought it was like cinched out too much and like made me look really big, but I don't mind it. I paired it with like my short shorts from Hollister that I've had since like grade 8. But yeah, it is 11:30 now. I'm going to clean. First I'm gonna eat. I'm starving. I think I'm just gonna have one of those like frozen, what do I have? Eat this frozen President's Choice General Tao thing. It's really good. Since we're just kind of like having snacks and stuff for dinner, I kind of want to have a big lunch and kind of snack throughout the day. But yeah, I have a meeting at 1. So, but that's here, which is nice. It was supposed to be at the company and now it's here. So quite happy about that. I don't actually have to go out again later today. And then the rest of the day, I am gonna be on my computer a little bit. And then around 4, I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna be super.
want to be doing this anymore. Also, does anyone else talk with their hands? I realized when I was filming myself, I was like, I'm using my hands a lot. Oops. I want to go take a nap. I'm gonna nap right here.
So here's my outfit today. I was gonna wear this dress from Vera Moda, I think it's called. I got it in my ASOS hole. But I didn't feel like wearing a dress. So I have these shorts on from Wilfred, just super nice linen shorts. And then this crop top from Forever 21, my Majuri necklace, and my everyday pearl earrings. It feels so weird because I haven't done my hair or like worn makeup in a long time. I've like worn like BB cream and mascara, but like I actually haven't like covered my freckles and like done all that. So I'm quite happy with how I look right now. So yeah, I apologize that I can't stop staring at myself because I actually like, ooh, look at me. So anyway, so I'm going to get everything organized. Focus, yeah. I'm gonna get everything organized. I have a little baggie of makeup for Elena, and then I have a little makeup baggie for Laura's mom. and then I have the cake, my gin, what else was I bringing? Oh yeah, popcorn, and I think that was all I said I was bringing. I can't remember. Yeah, I'm also like hungry but not hungry. I don't know why, I just, every time I go out and leave the house, I just get like a little anxious, and I have that like weird gut feeling and I don't like it, and I don't know, I just feel weird. I don't like it. I don't like it. I like it, but not a lot. I don't like it. I'm watching too much TikTok. Hello. I totally dropped the ball on filming this weekend. I just forgot. I think I remembered when Brendan and I were driving in the car, and I was like, oh my god, said I was vlogging this weekend and I didn't even pick up my camera. Yeah, so I apologize for that. Yeah, on Friday night I met up with Elena and Laura. You saw me getting ready for all that. So here's a little photo of us. We celebrated all of our birthdays and celebrated Laura being home for a bit before she goes back to Vancouver and all that. So that was really nice seeing her and her family, and they got a new dog and she's so cute. Saturday I cleaned up my apartment a little bit in the morning, afternoon. I went up to Brendan's parents' house, hung out there for a little bit, and then we went over to our friend's house. We had some pizza in their new house and all that. We like made pizzas on the barbecue and everything, so that was a lot of fun and nice to do that. And then on Sunday, yesterday, we went golfing and we played 18 holes. The girls walked and the guys rode on the cart, and I was tired. So after that, we had lunch on the patio, which was so nice. I didn't realize how much I missed that until I was there. And it was really nice to have like beer on draft and all that stuff, but it was nice. It's a good time. Then came back here, and so last night I didn't do much. I watched that Athlete A documentary on Netflix, and it was kind of interesting. Well, not interesting, it's just like very eye-opening in sport, especially, of like sexual abuse or even just like emotional and physical abuse sort of thing. But it was about the USA Gymnastics organization and the whole sexual assault thing with Larry Nassar. It was interesting because that's one event I always look forward to watch in the Summer Olympics, is I love watching the gymnastics. So I recognized a lot of those players, and hearing their stories, it was very eye-opening and all that stuff. So it was interesting, I guess. But yeah, I guess things are still on trial and everything like that. But yeah, so I watched that, learned a lot. And then I went to bed at 8:30. It was amazing. I slept through my alarms this morning. I had 11 hours of sleep. Like, how crazy is that? I was so tired. So I feel well rested. My bags are slowly going away, which is nice. I just haven't been able to sleep well lately. I feel like that's just like how I am now. I just don't sleep well. But anyway, but yeah, so I really don't know what to film and share with you. Wednesday, I'm going up to the cottage, and I'm there till Sunday, so to celebrate Canada Weekend and all that stuff. So I'm super excited to just have like almost a week at the cottage and just enjoy it. We're gonna blow up the giant flamingo. I'll post a photo of our giant flamingo here. It is insane. So excited to just be floating around, having a couple drinks. Some friends are coming in and out and all that stuff, so that'll be nice. And yeah, so I'm doing that. I figured I'd share some board games that I'm gonna be bringing up, and some drinks. Those are just things I need to pack now because I don't wanna forget them, and knowing me, I'll forget. Just at my front door, I have all of my things that I want to remember to bring up. I have my Walter Caesar stuff and the Caesar rim. They sent me a PR package, I think around Christmas time actually. Oh, I'm gonna turn off the air. It's gonna be loud, the air conditioning and a dishwasher going. Please ignore that. Hopefully it's not too loud. So anyway, so I actually have a shellfish allergy, so I've never had a Caesar before because it has like clamato juice in it, but their vegan one, which I really like, is good because it doesn't have any clamato juice, and I actually get to enjoy Sunday Caesars with all of my friends, so that's good. So they actually sent over a lobster one and the classic and the spicy or smoked maple. I think it's spicy actually. Anyway, so everyone else will drink those, and I'll have my vegan one. And other people who like don't particularly like Caesars, they like the vegan one more. So other people will try that as well. Then I have Corona beer I'm bringing. Then I have a lot of nude gins, coolers. So what I've been doing actually is taking the big Smirnoff Ice. Usually I don't use the light, but they just didn't have any other regular, so I'm gonna go to the LCBO tomorrow when it's open. It's closed on Mondays. I'm gonna get a couple more of these. So I do the Smirnoff Ice. I do like half a cup of this, and then I do half a cup of San Pellegrino. I really like the pomegranate one, so that's what I use. And then I just take some fresh fruit, so like some strawberries and berries and all that stuff, and throw it in and some ice. It is so good. It's not super sweet. Like, it's sweet, but it's not crazy sweet, but I really like it and all that. I've also been mixing this with like lemonade or peach lemonade and things like that. So I'm gonna bring some of this. I'm also gonna bring some wine. What else do I have back there? Some good sundaes, some wine coolers. I think I already left up at the cottage there anyway, so I have that. But yeah, so in terms of games to bring up, because there's such a variety of different people and all that stuff, I'm gonna kind of bring a variety of games. I'm not gonna go into huge depth about the games because I've done this in a couple of videos, so I'll link them down below. But Anomia is one that we always play, so I'm gonna bring a couple decks of those. That'd be funny, maybe I should bring Pandemic. I'm gonna bring some code names. The original one is amazing. It's a ton of fun. This new game that was sent to me is called Game of Ham. It's kind of like Cards Against Humanity, so I'm gonna bring that. It has a board to it, but because of COVID and everything, we haven't really been able to play it with a big group. And you can have like 3 to 15 players, so I'm gonna bring that. I think just Rummy Cub. I already have Sequence up there, just as like if it's raining one day or you just casually want to play a game sort of thing. So I'll bring that. I'll also bring some Jungle Speed and Monopoly Deal. And yeah, maybe I'll bring Taboo or Pictionary just to kind of have some fun. Or 5-second rule, that should be fun too. Oh, and What Do You Meme, I'll bring that. Okay, now I'm thinking I'm gonna have too many games. Okay, I'm just gonna come back in my room because that was probably really loud out there and I apologize. But yeah, I just wanted to share a little update. Yeah. Anyway, my question of the vlog is, what is your favorite board game? That is my question. I think my favorite is probably, I don't know, Monopoly is such a good classic one. But I do enjoy Anomia and I do enjoy the game of things. I do like that a lot. And Rummy Cub. But yeah, so anyway, that's my question. I hope you all have a wonderful week. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry I actually didn't really film this weekend. I'm working on it. It would be so much easier if I had like a smaller camera because this camera is very big. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day. Subscribe if you want to see more videos. Don't forget to like it. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!